you could do damage. And if you want me to take me for granted, yeah. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chords, back here with your guitar interpretations. Today we're doing Damage by H.E.R. It's a very easy song. We're playing this with 3 basic chords. Just make sure your guitar's in standard tuning. Put your cap on fret number 3, okay? Now the chords that we're playing are F, C, A minor, okay? F, C, A minor. And then for my strumming pattern, I'm using down, down, down. Now, so for F, we're strumming down to string number 1. For C, we're strumming to string number 2. And then for A minor, we're strumming to string number 2 again. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial. If you're not familiar with the chords that I'm using, you can check out my chord video. There's a detailed illustration of the chords, so you can learn them there and then come back to this video for your progressions. Otherwise, do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. Peace.